Hello everyone, hi. Today's video is about moisturizers. I'm Sarah, this is No BS Beauty. So I thought I'd talk about, you ever have that feeling when you wake up in the next morning, you put really nice skincare and a really good moisturizer on, your skin just wakes up and it feels so nice and healthy and revitalized. I love those nights. So I just compiled a list of my favorite nighttime moisturizers that kind of give you that feeling where you just wake up and you feel fresh and plump and ready to go. And you don't feel old, you feel super young. So yeah, so that's what I've got for today. These are 10 of them, and most of them are relatively affordable. There's a few pricey ones, but anyway, they're very in price. So, okay, first off, I'm going to start out with the Skinfix. This is their new product, Ectoin Retinol-Alternative Intensive Skin Barrier Repair Balm, and it's 69 bucks. Although Skinfix currently has a sale on, so it might be worth checking out there. So in here we've got Ectoin, growth factors, Phospholipids, Beta-Glucan, Lactobacillus Ferment. I will link to it below, but it's really nice. And it's got kind of an interesting little pump design too. So, but it's really nice. You can just put it on your skin after your serums, and it feels really nice. Nice and hydrating. I like the packaging. It's on the pricey side, but it's got a lot of good ingredients in here. So. And if you're on a budget, the Inky List has something that they just came out with, and it's kind of got a few similar ingredients in it, so it might be worth checking out. Yeah, so this one's really lovely. Next up is the Peach and Lily Ultra Plush Rich Cream, which is 45 bucks unless you get it on sale. This one's got a lot of goodies in here. Shea butter, ginseng, marula oil, rosehip oil, pomegranate, mugwort, cranberry, mushroom. Lots of goodies. Let me see if I can... It's really thick cream, so literally like a little bit over a moisturizer does a lot. Or not over a serum, sorry. I'm still suffering from my cold. It's getting better though. You know, the last few days, I don't know why with colds, but it's like the mornings and nights are always worse and everything in between is okay. Well, you still feel like crap, but yeah, then you start to feel better. Okay, next up is the SkinMedica TNS Ceramide Treatment Cream, which is retails for 72 bucks, but this one contains their patented human fibroblast conditioned media, and I'm working on a list of my favorite peptides, so I'll do a video about that. In here we've also got ceramides, we've got oat extract, other peptides, squalane. If you're on a budget, I call this the TNS serum on a budget because it's still pretty good size. It's 2 ounces and 72 bucks. Usually you can get 20% off somewhere if you do a little bit of digging. It's usually somewhere, someone's got it on sale. So if the SkinMedica TNS at 300 bucks is too expensive, then this one might be the nice way to go. And it's really hydrating too. Let's see, it's got a nice thick texture. There we go. I like to use this one on my neck and décolleté area and the rest of my face. So for me, the SkinMedica, I just finished my most recent bottle, but for me, the SkinMedica, I just use it on my forehead, right around my eyes, and around my mouth. Nothing else, because I'm sparing it. You know, I'm using it sparingly. And then I'll use this on the other areas that aren't as budget friendly because there's more surface area to cover. So yeah, so really lovely though. Really nice and hydrating, and yeah, nothing wrong with it. Really wonderful. Highly recommended, especially if you're on a budget. TNS Advanced Serum's too expensive. This one's kind of the budget friendly option. So, although it's still expensive, so. Okay, this one's affordable. The Acure Radically Rejuvenating Whipped Night Cream. It's 22 bucks. So it's got Marula. And you know what? This brand used to be at Ulta up until like, I don't know. I went to search for it this morning and I couldn't find it. So I guess they're not at Ulta anymore. Yeah, anyway. So in here we've got Marula oil, peptides, ferulic acid, ascorbyl glucoside, sodium hyaluronate. It's pretty affordable. It's a kind of a drunk elephant protein-y dupe. So, but it's got a really nice texture. I will say it takes a while to soak in though. This latest bottle of mine, it seems like it takes a long time to absorb. I'm not sure why, but I mean, it's okay because I'm using it at night, but yeah, still kind of annoying. Or sometimes it leaves like a really strong white cast. Probably just too many layers, which is, I'm good with that. I like the layers. The more layers, the better. So yeah, so worth checking out. Okay, next up, this one's pretty thick. It's the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Probio-Cica Enriched Cream, and it's 16 bucks. Right now at Yes Style, and here we've got a lot of goodies. We've got Centella, shea butter, squalane, macadamia nut oil, ceramide, cocoa extract, asiaticoside. Lovely product, very thick again. There we go. Let me see, I've got a little spatula here. I'll scoop up a little bit. Okay, put a little bit there. So really nice. It is thick though. It's probably gonna be too thick for the daytime for some people, especially oilier skin, but at night it's lovely. Well worth checking out. Okay, next up is the Then I Met You Renewing Rich Beauty Cream, which is 60 bucks. And this one's really lovely. It's got 4 different types of ginseng. So ginseng is lovely. It's a great antioxidant ingredient for your skin. We've got baobab oil, we've got centella, we've got ceramides, we've got shea butter. It's lovely. It's very thick. This is in, oh, okay, let's see. So we got 50 milliliters. Let me see if I can give you, okay, so there's the jar. I'll try and scoop a little bit out. Okay. Everything is really dry right now. My hands, my arms, because it's -1 for the high Fahrenheit. Okay, so there you go. Feels really nice. I love it. They came out with a, Then I Met You, they came out with another moisturizer. I think it's geared towards oilier skinned people. I think it's called the Baume cream or something like that. But I looked and I wasn't overall impressed with that. Most of their products are okay. They're unique. But this one out of all their products is lovely. So I can't say anything bad about it. It's really nice and no scent to it. Okay, next up, and you can thank me later, I linked to the tube version, the Mary & May Ida Bonneau Blackberry Intense Cream. So I linked to the tube version. If they now, I think they also have the jar version still. If you have a choice, buy the one in the tube. It's much more convenient. This packaging is very heavy. It's not travel friendly. When I repurchase it, I'm buying the one in the tube. It's 21 bucks, so it's still really affordable. So, okay, so in here we've got blackberry, blueberry, panthenol, ceramides, Ida Bonneau, arginine. Really nice product. Mary & May, super hit or miss with their stuff in terms of fragrance. I don't get it. I don't understand it. A lot of their stuff is fragrance free, and then a lot of their newer stuff has a lot of fragrance in it. So I don't get it, but I will say this jar's in the old side, so it might be time to repurchase it. Yeah. Okay. So, here's a little swatch of it. Okay, where am I losing? There we go. It's got kind of a yellowish tint to it, almost. There we go. Okay. A little bit of it goes a long way. My whole arm is going to be very hydrated for the rest of the day, which is good. Okay, next up is the Hero Wonder Centella Phyto 5 Peptide Concentrate Cream. It's 16 bucks, so it's a pretty good deal. The jar makes it look like there's a lot in there, but it's only 1 ounce. It's smaller than most of the other moisturizers. So in here we've got sunflower seed oil, squalane, caffeine, pea protein, madecassoside, and obviously peptides. So it's really nice. It is on the thick side, so if you're looking for a thick cream, this does it. When I wake up, my skin feels really nice and soft and smooth. Let's see, okay. I need to clean off my spatula. Okay, here we go. Just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. Okay. There we go. Very nice. Soaks in really nicely too. Okay, couple more. Next up, I've got the Alpine Beauty Super Peptide and Ghostberry Moisturizer for eczema, barrier, and wrinkle repair. It's 62 bucks at Sephora. So in here we've got one of my favorite peptides, the Snap 8 peptide, which is great for anti-aging. We've got squalane, we've got snowberry fruit, we've got ceramides, we've got jojoba seed oil. It's lovely, no scent to it. Really nice product overall. Really nice creamy texture. I'm still kind of new to this one. I think I picked up at the end of the year, I want to say. So there we go. Here's my little spatula. There's a little bit of it. It might be way too much. And I'm running out. Okay, I'm going to do the inside of my arm. There we go. Very nice product though. I would say this one's pretty friendly for most skin types, as well as acne prone and oily. Okay, 2 more. Next up is the In Beauty Extreme Cream, which is 48 bucks. In here we've got bisabolol, squalane, peptides, ceramides, rice bran oil, mushroom extract. You notice the commonality in a lot of these products. They all seem to have peptides and ceramides in them, which are 2 of my favorite ingredients. So this stuff's really nice. Their other one is really nice too. Oh, right here. Their elastic skin. This is more of a serum. This is more of a moisturizer. So I guess that's the difference, right? But I like their packaging. It's kind of, I don't know. There we go. Running out of real estate. Okay. Very nice moisturizer. And last but not least is the Stratia Skin Lipid Gold. So I will link to this below. So this is the small size, which is 1 ounce. But if you're going to buy it, get the big size, which is 4 ounces. And it's not as much more. So the large size lasts me about a year. So in here we've got ceramides, rosehip oil, sea buckthorn oil, cranberry seed oil, a lot of other goodies. No scent in it. Really nice product. Again, but if you're going to end up buying it, get the big size. It's worth it. I think it's double the price, but you get 4 times the amount. So, yeah, really lovely. So, yeah, so these are some of my favorite nighttime creams that really leave your skin feeling nice and soft and ready for the day. The one I used last night was the SkinMedica, and then a little bit of the Peach and Lily. So, it seemed to work well. So, anyway, curious if you have any favorites that you use at night where your skin just feels great the next morning. So, leave a comment with that below. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys more tomorrow. Okay, bye guys.